Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you change your screen color mode in your Vivo phone. Guys, you want to change guys your screen color, so guys you can change it. And guys, now let's see how to change screen color in our Vivo phone guys. In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting without waste time to change your screen color mode. Then guys, scroll guys, click on display and brightness. Again scroll guys, screen color, tap here. So you can see guys, there are three colors guys: professional and standard and bright color. So we will click on guys the standard color, and guys you can customize this color temperature adjustment guys, you can customize from here. So like that guys, you can change your screen color mode in your Vivo phone. And guys you can see guys, your screen color mode is two different type guys. So like that guys, you can change your screen color mode in your Vivo phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to change the screen color mode in our Vivo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys, now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.